My name is Amit Yadav, student of Bright Rock Public School. Today I am going to solve the question of chapter triangles of the NCERT book. The question is ABC is an isosceles triangle. That ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. That means AB is equal to AC, and we have to draw AP perpendicular to BC. So let's first draw. We have draw AP perpendicular to BC, and we have to show that angle B is equal to angle C. We know that the property of the isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So let's prove it by the congruency. So first we draw construction. Construction AP perpendicular to BC. So now in triangle APB and triangle APC, B and triangle ABC. We know that AB is equal to AC, so we can write here AB is equal to AC given, and angle ABB is equal to angle APC because both are perpendicular and making 90 degree angle. So we can write here angle APB is equal to angle APC because both are 90 degree. And the last thing is that AP is equal to AB. This is common in both the triangle. Therefore, triangle APB congruent triangle APC by RHS congruency. So
Criteria.
we can say that angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. Hence, angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. So thank you.